So you just installed Proxmox 9. It's powerful, it's sleek, and it's the king of home lab virtualization. But there's a catch. Every time you log in, you're greeted with that annoying no valid subscription pop-up, and if you try to update right away, you are likely to see a wall of errors because the enterprise repository are locked behind a paywall. So today I'm going to show you the correct way to prep your Proxmox node. We're going to fix the repository, run a full system update, and then use a legendary helper script to vanish the subscription pop-up forever. So let's dive in. Now, when you open the shell, you might be tempted to just click update in the GUI. But for a fresh Proxmox 9 install, I always recommend that the CLI, it's more transparent if something goes wrong. So as you can see, we are currently on Proxmox 9, and so now let's for the fun part, we are going to use the Proxmox helper script, a community-driven powerhouse that simplifies server management. They have a lot of scripts that will help you with your Proxmox. So you can easily just type Proxmox helper script in your search bar and you can easily locate them. But before that, I think I could go to my Dix and see what I have. So right now, back in the helper script website, we'll try and locate PVE post install. So it's already in front of me, but you can locate it by the left. So description of what it does, blah blah blah. Then you just copy the script. You go back to your Proxmox on the main node. You go to shell, your main node, not on the data center, just on the main node. Then you yeah, just wanted to check that there are updates, but before you do that, you have to actually update what you currently have. So we're first of all going to run an update before we use the helper script. So allow the update to run. So I'll wait. This might take some time. So so it looks like our system update is done. So we close that, leave, refresh. The subscription is still popping up, but yeah, everything okay. Close. Yeah, so for refresh, there's none. So go to the shell, we paste the script, click enter, PV post install, select yes. You follow the prompt, the description, modern already exists, no changes to source format required. So what do you want to do? Keep as is, select keep as is, then you click OK. No, not that one, but you have to select keep as is. Then yes. The PV test repository can give advanced users blah blah blah. Add disable, you say yes. Disable subscription lag, we don't want that, so we select yes. Support the software developer, okay, so you click on okay. Disable high availability. For high availability, I don't need it for now, so I'll just say yes. Yeah, yes. So update Proxmox VE now. So click on yes. So the update will run, and the errors are what I said no to. So